We are at Data EN booth at the International Sheet Metal Show Euroblech 2012 in Hanover. And I am showing you Data EN's new device for profile scanning. Scanning by means of laser sensors of roll-formed sheet metal cross-sections. The system, I'm going to demonstrate you the system. It's very easy to operate. You fix the profile in the scanner. I start the scanning operation, and we have a laser putting a line on the profile and just one sensor with a camera now detecting the different contours, taking up to 20 screen pictures per second. And I just rotate and have the whole 360 degrees of the profile scanned automatically. Once I manage to do the 360 degrees, it's automatically converted to a complete cross-section and shown on the screen. If I can ask you now, come over and have a look at the screen, where you get the main predefined dimensions. The red one showing, for example, you are out on the tolerance in the maximum area. Here we have an angle, or if you need to do some other selections of cross sections, for example, taking such kind of dimensions. So what is the benefit or the news with this scanner? So first of all, it's the price. It's a real competitive system now to scan profile cross sections compared to mechanical ductile scanning devices or to profile projectors, where you have to cut and clear the surface of your profile, because in this case you can just scan long or short samples by simply adjusting the fixture, the holder, which allows you to scan both short ones as long as long samples. But the main advantage is the fact that we have only one sensor. Normally we have a ring of sensors checking the whole contour, but in this case with only one, it drives the price down, the cost of the whole system. And due to our new software technology, we are able to take as many scans as you want, since you rotate the profile, and get even a better result as from the known sensor rings. Let me show you an example. If you, for example, want to scan such a profile shown like this one, having a ring of sensors with, let's say, 4 sensors around the circumference, I'm not talking about the high price, the high cost of such a system, you will always get dead areas, the red one here, where you cannot look inside. So these areas cannot be scanned. With ours, having only one sensor, I can rotate my profile very slowly and thus looking exactly into the inside of the profile while I am doing the scanning process, and get a much better coverage here of the previously hidden areas. So one sensor in this case is not just a disadvantage, it's a real advantage, reducing the cost, getting more accuracy as I can look inside, and allowing me to take as many camera shots around the circumference as I want to do. The device is very simple to explain. We have just a cabinet where the sensor is mounted and linked by USB cable up to the computer. You can use any notebook computer or desktop computer, and it does not even have to be a real fast one, since the software has got pretty much optimized. The scanning device itself fits very well in a transport case, where you just put it in upside down, disassemble the legs, mount the legs. It's done in a minute. It's also reassembled in a minute. So you can use it wherever you want, in the shop floor, on your table, at your customer site, or when you get a new roll forming line into operation, you put it down to the workshop. You can cut the sample pieces you take from every station, have it scanned quickly, and take it with you back to your office.